Hello everyone and welcome to Module 4 of Lesson 2. In the previous module, we covered the topic of conducting feasibility studies. Today we are going to get into the topic of developing the project charter. It is a critical document authorizing project existence. Its key objective: clear description, define project's purpose and objectives. Scope definition, outline project deliverables and boundaries. Stakeholder identification, identify key stakeholders and their roles. Authority and responsibilities, establish project manager's authority. In summary, the purpose of the project charter is multifaceted, serving as a foundational document in project initiation. It provides a clear and concise description, defining the project's purpose and objectives. By outlining project deliverables and boundaries, it contributes to scope definition, preventing scope creep during execution. The project charter also aids in stakeholder identification, ensuring key individuals and groups are recognized along with their roles. Crucially, it establishes the project manager's authority and responsibilities, providing a robust framework for effective project management. Contents of the project charter. Key elements. Project title and description, clear and concise overview. Project objectives, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Project scope, deliverables, boundaries, constraints, and assumptions. Stakeholders, identification, roles, and responsibilities. High-level requirements, key features and functionalities. Assumptions and constraints, factors impacting the project. Risks, initial assessment of potential threats and opportunities. Milestones and timeline, key project events and estimated timeline. Budget, initial estimate of project budget. In conclusion, the contents of the project charter are a comprehensive compilation of key elements crucial for effective project management. The project title and description offer a clear and concise overview, setting the stage for understanding the project's essence. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound project objectives ensure a focused and goal-oriented approach. The project scope, stakeholders, high-level requirements, assumptions, constraints, risks, milestones, timeline, and budget collectively provide a robust framework, guiding the project team and stakeholders through a well-defined path. This rich document acts as a compass, ensuring alignment and facilitating successful project planning and execution. Developing the project charter process include next steps. Define project objectives, collaborate with stakeholders. Identify key stakeholders, internal and external stakeholders. Define project scope, clearly outline deliverables and boundaries. Identify high-level requirements, collaborate with the project team. Assess risks, conduct initial risk assessment. Establish milestones and timeline, define key project events. Estimate project budget, initial budget estimate. Review and approve, seek input and approval from stakeholders. To sum up, the process of developing the project charter involves a collaborative and structured approach to ensure a solid foundation for project initiation. Beginning with the definition of project objectives, collaboration with stakeholders ensures alignment with organizational goals. Identification of internal and external stakeholders follows, ensuring that key individuals and groups are recognized. The clear outline of project deliverables and boundaries in the project scope prevents misunderstandings and scope creep. Collaborating with the project team to identify high-level requirements fosters a shared understanding of project expectations. Conducting an initial risk assessment, establishing milestones and timelines, estimating the project budget, and concluding with a thorough review and approval process collectively create a robust project charter. This document, when endorsed by stakeholders, becomes the guiding document that authorizes the project's existence and sets the stage for successful project planning and execution. Conclusion. Key points of Lesson 2. Project objectives. Consider the definition and importance of project objectives. Characteristics of effective project objectives using SMART. Key steps to defining project objectives. Stakeholders. Definition of stakeholders and key points. Why it matters. And key steps to identify stakeholders. Tools and techniques that can help us identify stakeholders. Feasibility. Considered key aspects and purpose. Objectives of the feasibility study. Key steps. And components. The main project document. Its key objectives. Elements. And key steps. These key points cover the essential aspects of Lesson 2, providing a comprehensive understanding of project objectives, stakeholder management, feasibility studies, and the development of the project charter. Now it's time to summarize the information we've covered so far. To check how well you have understood the material, please follow the link below the video and take a short quiz to help you consolidate the knowledge you have gained in Lesson 2. I appreciate your attention and look forward to your continued participation in the next lessons.